Minnie toed in the whole recipe. Place each holes of a muffin tray with a slice of beef sausage. Then bake in a preheated oven at 100 degrees Celsius until the sausages releases its own fat. Meanwhile, sift a cup of plain flour and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Make a well, then drop 1 egg. Pour in gradually a cup of milk. Whisk well until there's no more lumps. Add a handful of finely chopped spring onions, optional. When the sausages are done, make sure to brush the sides of each muffin hole with the drippings. Fill each hole halfway with the batter. Return to the oven and bake at 100 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, this is done. Serve immediately with favorites, then share and enjoy. Subscribe for more.